Hi, I'm Cy, and today I'm reviewing this Blue Diamond 8-inch non-stick frying pan. These are very cool pans. This one is brand new, but I know they're very cool because I've owned 12-inch ones 2 times. I still have our newest 12-inch one, and I learned a lot about how to preserve the non-stick quality of these pans. So the only thing you need to do is make sure that you use wood or silicone as a spatula. Don't use anything metal. The next thing is don't turn the heat above medium, and you won't need to. You'll find that this cooks very well on medium or lower for anything that you'd want to cook on it. And the last thing is use a soft sponge when you are cleaning it. And those are the things that will preserve the nonstick quality for a very long time. Here we go with the real test. I'm turning the heat on the stove right now, and I'm going to turn it to a medium heat, and I'm not going to even wait for this to heat up. I'm going to go ahead, put the egg on now. See, the egg is beginning to cook. It's cooking relatively quick considering that I didn't even have the heat turned on when I started. I'm going to just turn this down below medium now. I think we've got plenty of heat on there. You see the egg is well in the process of cooking the bottom. Just going to move things around here a little bit, and you can see the non-stick quality, but it even gets better as the egg gets more cooked from my experience. And you can see I am using a wooden spatula. You can see, like I said, as it gets heated up more, the no stick quality is even getting better. I didn't quite make a perfect flip there. That's okay. The no stick quality will still be demonstrated. See how good that's not sticking. Let's go ahead and just dump this egg off here. Now you can see it, but it's as simple as that. You can see this stuff here. It just comes off so easy. Just a light rinse and a sponge over it with a little soap just to make it clean is all I would do. And that's how awesome these Blue Diamond frying pans are. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. But all she did was spark a legend in the making. Always had the heart.